Greetings. Here's the question. Will there be a fourth edition of Uptime? The short answer is yes, but not in the usual way. Uptime, my book, has grown through three editions, moving from managers' focus to maintainers and to bridging the gaps between maintenance and asset management. But today, the need isn't just a bigger book, it's broader reach. Maintenance is still misunderstood in boardrooms and ignored in business schools. Globally, the demand is huge. Latin America, Brazil, French-speaking markets. Yet Uptime exists only in English, and that's a massive gap. So the fourth edition won't just be an update. It'll be a whole new book. Multi-language, global in scope, serving maintainers, guiding managers, and showing executives that maintenance is a strategic business function.